Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create really cool particle animation with using Cinema 4D R21. Okay, so guys, firstly, I'm going to take a simple cube, this one, and I go to display, select God shading lines. Yes, guys, I take only edges, so also take atom array, this one, and select this cube and make child with atom array. Yeah, guys, select this atom array and change some more setting. Go to sphere radius, I take same 2. Yeah, and closer. Guys, I increase also subdivision like 16, double. Yeah, right. Okay, see guys, that's my frame. And now guys, I create rotation animation. So select this atom array and right click, go to Cinema 4D tag and use vibrator, this one. Yes, and enable rotation check. Guys, all amplitude I take 360 and 360, right? And guys, change frequency like 0.1. Yeah, so go to back and play. Yes, guys, also increase frame. I like 1000 frame and create full and play. Yes, right. See guys, that's my simple animation. And now guys, second, I take more objects like cube and change cube size. Size I take like 20 centimeter, 20. Yes, and create smoothness. So fillet check and fillet radius, guys, I take 2 and fillet subdivision take 5. Yes, and guys, one more cube. Yeah, and y-axis I take half, 10. Yes, see guys, that's my second, right? Okay, so now I take sphere and sphere radius like 12. Yeah, and increase segments like 24. Yeah, okay, so lastly guys, I take capsule and smaller like this, right? Like radius I take like 10 and height I take like 40. Yes, and increase segments increase. Yeah, right. See, little bit more like 30. Yes, okay. Okay, so guys, that's it. It's my simple objects. And now I take cloner, this one cloner, and guys, select all objects and make child with cloner. Yes, guys, select this cloner, this one, and go to object. Guys, I change mode, and mode I use object. Yeah, and object is atom array. Drag and drop in here. Yeah, right, and play. Yes, simple, right? It's really cool, guys. And guys, I increase count like 2000. Yes, and play. Yeah, better, right? It's really cool. Okay, so guys, stop this animation and select this cloner. Guys, I go to MoGraph, effector, and take shader, this one, and select the shader. And I go to parameter, guys, scale size, this one, I take -1. Yes, and all rotation, guys, check, take 360. Yes, and guys, go to fall off and line of here, I take spherical field. Yes, like this. And guys, go to ramp and go to down, invert, check. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple, like this. See, right? Okay guys, I create animation like this. Okay, so guys, go to spherical field and all position I take 0, 0 and 0. Yes, and guys, select this spherical field and right click, go to animation tag and use vibrator. And this time guys, position check and amplitude like 200, actually take 250. 250, yes, all. And frequency I take 0.5. Yes, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my animation, right? Okay, all is good. So stop this animation guys, stop. And now I apply rigid body tag. So select this cloner, this one, and right click, go to actually simulation tag and use rigid body. Yeah, and force. Guys, follow position I take 5 and 5. Yes, and play. Yes, better. See guys, that's my particle animation. Okay, so guys, I also change gravity. So stop and I go to mode and project. Guys, go to dynamic and gravity, this one, and gravity I take 0. Yes, and play. Yeah, better, right? It's really good. Guys, now also apply collider tag on atom array. So select this atom array and use collider body tag. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yeah, this one is also better, right? See guys, that's my first particle animation is finished. Now you can apply material. Guys, go to create and take load material. Guys, select this file and that's my material. Guys, you can download this all material from my website. Yes, and apply random material. So silver material on atom array and gold material on cubes. Yes, and guys, select this one, apply on capsule, and last one, that's my glass, apply on sphere. Yes, see, that's my materials. It's really shiny. So play. Yeah, it's really good, right? Okay, so guys, now my first particle animation is finished. I create second one. So select this cloner, this one, and copy, press Ctrl C and V. Yeah, and guys, go to here, that's my tag, and follow position 0 and 0, right? And I go to cloner and guys, delete the shader effector, delete. Yes, that's it. And I go to cloner and object, yes, and count I take 0 on 0 frame. Guys, count check. Yeah, and last one, go to like 1000 frame and count I take like 5000. Yeah, and press this animation key. Yes, right, and play. Yes, see guys, that's my particles. Okay guys, I also change particle size. So cloner 1 and transform and size I take 0.3. Guys, it's dependent on your work. You can take 0.3 or 2. I take 0.3. Yes, and go to back and play. Little bit back. Yes. Okay, so guys, stop. Now again go to back and I go to display, select God shading lines. It's actually hide lines and play. Yeah, beautiful. See guys, that's my small background particles. Right? Okay, so all is good. Guys, my particle animation is finished. Now I apply light. So use sky. This one. Yes, and apply sky material. So stop this animation and select this material, this one. Drag and drop on sky. Yes, and guys, select this sky and right click. Guys, I apply composition tag, this one, and scene by camera uncheck. Yes, right. And guys, I also take background color. So take background and take background, and that's my background material, this one, last one. Apply on background, right? I show you. Yes, that's my background, right? Okay, so guys, go to render setting and output size. Guys, you can take any one size like this. You can take full HD frame and current frame, use all. Guys, this time I use only global illumination and indirectly cache take low. Guys, anti select best. Yeah, that's it. So go to save, format. I take JPEG sequences and I go to desktop, create new folder like renders simple and take any file name. Yeah, right. So render. Okay, see guys, that's my render, and go to here. Guys, I change also size, saturation and contrast like 5. Yes, and brightness I take 2. Yeah, alright. Okay, so guys, that's it. It's my simple particle animation with using Cinema 4D R21 is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.